Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can export your databases and pages from your Notion workspace really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So drop a like and let us dive into this right away. So head over to your Notion workspace. Here in the top left corner, select the workspace from that list here in the top left. And what you want to do, guys, is simply select the page or database here from your associated workspace in the left panel. Let me go with that page here for the demonstration purposes. So left click on it. And after that, you will see the overview of that page here to the right, of course, so that you may edit and customize it according to your own imagination and taste. So what you want to do to export it is click on these three dots in the top right corner and select export page from that drop down menu. Let me find it really quickly here. Export. You may also import if you like. So let me click on export here. And after that, you will be given access to that small window here. So you want to select an export format from that menu here, from the drop-down menu, like PDF, HTML, or CSV are available. So let me go with, let's say, CSV for the sake of this tutorial. Then you can select which databases you would like to include, the content, everything, or only without files or images. Include subpages, of course, if you like, create folders for subpages. So let me go with that standard setup here. Click on export here, wait for the exporting to be finished, and after a brief moment you will see the downloaded file as a package here in the top right corner, so that you may unpack it and save it offline on your device, like your computer or laptop. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you later.